shiplap.
There's just a few things left and then we're done. That's it.
Getting jiggy with it. Na, 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 na.
I'm actually going to finish the ceiling today, I swear.
We're Erin and Brandon, and last time we left you in this van conversion, we were installing our solar panels.
It's done, and last night it actually rained and no water came into the van, which is a great sign. The caulking held up.
Once that was successful, it was time to move on to the next project, the ceiling. So the next step of the van build will be painting the walls and ceiling. So Brandon and I went to Home Depot today and got 17 boards of shiplap. I feel like all of my months of watching HGTV in quarantine, where they're always using shiplap, are finally coming to fruition here. I like the thicker look of the wood, and I also wanted them to be white. So these already came primed, so I'm just gonna go in and give them another coat of white paint. 5 down, 12 more to go. All 17 panels are painted, and it feels good to have a fresh, clean coat of paint on them. Some of them were a little bit dirty, so it was fun to do, honestly. I like the painting project. So today I am going out to celebrate my sister's birthday with some of her friends. We're doing a socially distant bar crawl.
I'll be getting to work. I mean, you just can't take a Saturday or Sunday off and expect to get this done in 2 months. With me working full-time during the week, it's impossible. So I have to work, but I enjoy it.
Yeah.
Hopefully today we can get some of the ceiling up, which would really start bringing this together. I love you.
Love you.
The other day I got in the van and I didn't want to film it. I just wanted to get straight to work. So let me just show you what I got done the other day. Before I start doing the ceiling, I was able to get this charge controller to work. I installed this inline circuit breaker. So when you pop it in, this comes on. It works great. And using these 2 portals, I've been able to test all the lights, make sure they work. The puck lights for the ceiling before I put them in. And I also mounted this up on the wall. So put in these L brackets to secure the bottom part of these strappings. I've been busy, but more to do. Hopefully I can get the ceiling in today, or at least some of it. But right now it's looking a bit grim. Really hoping it doesn't rain on me. And just when I get started, 2 minutes later, it starts raining, and now maybe it stopped. We'll see. I think it looks pretty good. I got the middle 4 boards up, but I'm gonna pause for today. Glad to get these up, but tomorrow will come with its challenges because doing the sides is gonna be a little different because I'll have to come all the way down next to the fan. I'll just save it for when I've got Erin helping me.
It is a sunny one today, so I'm bringing out some sunscreen so Brandon doesn't get burnt out here while he's working. And unfortunately, I'm not gonna be a huge help today because I will be editing. But I will be coming out periodically to assist if I need to.
We're making progress on the ceiling. I got these 4 boards in yesterday, And I started with this board today, and the importance of this one is that it's got 3 lights coming through it. So I'm gonna hook up the little puck lights that we have, LEDs, not LCDs, 4 LCD ceiling lights.
When you say LCD, do you mean LED?
LED. Oh man, I wire them up and then keep going and hopefully get this entire ceiling completely done today. I got the first 3 puck lights in. They went in very easily. Had to kind of shove them in because the drill bit I had for the hole saw was 2 3/8 inches, not 2 1/2, which is what they recommend, but they still fit fine. I wired them up and it's starting to come together. So I'm putting these L brackets, and so I'll have a piece of wood to secure to on this end. You can see I've already secured it to that end. So once I get this in, then it's open season. Since this piece started from that side, I'll start the next piece from this side and then try to finish up the ceiling. This last piece that I had to fit in between these two was a huge pain to get to fit because it just didn't fit perfectly. So we had to cut it down, saw it down. Didn't get footage of that, but Aaron and I were really working that saw.
Back again.
Back again. We've got the fan completely in. So it took me forever to cut this. On the second one, I'll film it because it was just ridiculous with the handsaw. But I finally got it done, and I think the finished product looks really nice. Looks very finished. I'm happy.
Look at you, proud.
I'm proud, yeah. I didn't quite finish the ceiling today because I had issues with the back. There's nowhere to secure it in the back, so I tried a couple ideas. It didn't work, and I just got tired. Been working all day on this. But at least the front looks pretty good, and hopefully I can mirror that in the back on Monday, Tuesday, however long it takes. It's just tired, it's hard, I need to finish it as fast as possible. It's just stressful. I'm almost done with the ceiling. I've got this other side up with all the lights in it, so that's what I'm gonna finish up before it gets dark. Is just to drill in this last side. I was able to finally frame the fan over there, which was very difficult. I've got some pieces waiting to dry. If those dry well and I can get the fan piece up like this one on the other side, then it's effectively done. We're just not there yet. We'll have to put another day on top of this.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is the arrangement we have. Aaron drinks wine and watches me as I build our van. That's okay because I said I'd build the van, and Aaron said that she would design it and make it pretty, so I'm holding up my end of the bargain. We'll see if she holds up hers when it comes time.
Brandon's the contractor and I'm the designer, so I just wait around and then I make it pretty at the end. He's like Chip and I'm like Joe. If anyone gets my reference, shiplap, fixer-upper, HGTV. I like the deal. And I like watching you work.
I'm just finishing up today. We'll have 8 lights in here and I've got 2 left to wire and put up in the ceiling. I got the last light in, so I'm calling it a day, and it's cleanup time. Woo! And dinner time. I'm just gonna try to get the second fan cover up, but part of that involves cutting it with a handsaw, which I don't know is the best way to do it. It's how the instructions say to do it. It gets the job done, but it takes like 30 minutes. So now both the fans are in. I think that's a good lunchtime task. I've probably said it the last 3 days, but today I'm serious. I'm actually going to finish the ceiling today. I swear. Board secured.
So now I'm here, and because I've been absent a lot, Mr. Copeland here is making me do the work.
through.
Was that too bad?
Just wait.
We getting jiggy with it. Da, 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 da.
It went well. It's a straight cut. That's what's important.
Would you call me Sparky?
Yeah, so you just flew through it. I mean, heck.
Getting jiggy with it. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. I say getting jiggy with it because it's a jigsaw. Sorry if no one got that. Na, 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 na.
So we have finally finished the ceiling, even though after 3 days of me saying I'm gonna finish the ceiling, it didn't seem like it was gonna be possible. It was, thank goodness. So on to the next project, which is the electrical work. A lot of the electrical has been run, but I haven't actually put all the components together, like the batteries, the inverter, the charge controller for solar. All of that needs to be connected, and that's the next project.
And then the walls. And then the cabinets.
And the cabinets, and then the kitchen, and then a lot of other stuff.
And then the bed frame.
Oh, and all the water needs to be, all the plumbing needs to be done.
Tiling.
The sink.
The floors.
The propane and propane burner. Ooh, and we need to figure out the window. That's gonna
Faucet.
be tough.
Where?
There's just a few things left, and then we're done. That's it. We're not close at all.
We have so much.
I really hope I can finish it in like a month and a week, though, like 5 weeks.
We can finish it.
Yeah, I can finish it. I'm just kidding. We'll finish it. I'm gonna give her a lot of jobs, so don't worry, she'll be working.
What do you say? Should we just keep the ceiling like this? Keep the insulation in?
Yeah. We just won't finish the sides. This is good enough. We can just slap the bed in. We're done, right? About time I get a break. I'm gonna pop open a beer.
Hey, sure. I was drinking wine yesterday when you were working, so. To be fair, sometimes I help, but sometimes it's a one-person job, so at least I'm keeping him company.
For now. You weren't the first 2 hours tonight.
If I'm doing something, I was
at the
busy.
bar drinking.
Why was my sister's birthday?
Watched other videos of people finishing the ceiling in like one night. Like, oh, no big problem. No, it's tough.